स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Manoeuvre. So today's video is all about the preparation for Tissnet 2021. So no crash course will be there, only the pilot course. So fly with the Tiss pilot. So this is the last opportunity for all of you. Grab this opportunity and join the Tissnet pilot batch. So let's crack the Tissnet 2021. Join the Tissnet pilot batch, which will be start from the 28th December onwards. So call and book your seat on 8828581455. Because friend, if you wanna do something hatke with your masters, then there is only one platform known as TISS, where you can do your masters, which are very unique one and can give your career a better way. So friends, don't miss this opportunity, as only one thing will be remain, and that is nothing but the regret. Because at the last, we'll regret I didn't started the preparation on the right time. So friends, start your preparation from now onwards, because still you have enough time to crack the Tissnet, and these 45 days are nothing but the boosters. Each one day will give you a proper roadmap. These all are the strategies with respect to Tissnet 21 pilot batch. So steps are included such as step 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These all are the boosters, all are the respective steps, include each and every step that will enhance only on your preparation. So very first one, the step 1 include the 220 plus video lectures, which will make your base strong. Through this video, you will clear all your fundamental doubts and you will be familiar with the type of questions, what exactly the easy questions, how are the moderate questions are framed, and how are the difficult questions twisted. So with the pre-recorded, you will be familiar with the exact content of this syllabus and will make your base strong. So in the live lectures, you will easily get overall concepts. You will be learn the new technique use, the decoding of questions. You will learn the shortcut tricks, and throughout this process, you will enhance your speed. So all the doubts will be cleared in the live sessions. Now the next step 3. You will get the access for ebooks, so you can make the notes according to it. You will get 50 plus questions into the practice with respect to easy to moderate to difficult levels. You will get the answer for each and every questions there. That means you will get the solution for there, and you will also receive the handouts for the practice purpose. The step 4 known as the mock test, or we call as the battle of mock. So you have to attempt the number of mock tests, and thus you will get the evaluation at where exactly you are on the preparation stage. So you will get access for the topic test and the full length mock test. Topic tests are ranging from easy to moderate to difficult, and you will get the full length mock test. There are 10 in number for Tissnet, and you will get 5 Tissmat mock tests. So once you given the mock test, you will get the exact comparison, exact analysis, which will show your status. You are at average or good or excellent level. So overall, you will learn how to handle the time pressure. You will have the comparison with the toppers. Thus you will learn the strategies of the toppers, and you will get explanation for overall all of your questions. So there will be 10,000 plus questions throughout this process, and these all are the strategies included in pilot batch. So make sure guys, proper resources, enough data, the mentorship, guidance and overall cognitive effects will enhance your preparation, so thus you can easily crack any of the exam. So we'll cover overall syllabus with respect to quant, reasoning, English and GK. So pause the video guys, you can go through all these topics, and don't worry about the GK at all, as that is more concerned about the GK. So you will get overall strategies how to prepare the GK, both the static GK as well as current affairs. So from now onwards, start adhering to the PEST, and that is nothing but the political, economic, social and technological science. So you will easily cover overall GK. So friends, it is only the last opportunity to crack the Tissnet. So be focused on your preparation. Start from now onwards. Join Manoeuvre online program. Get the books, mock test, sectional, full course, live lectures. So visit at manoeuvreedu.com/MBA entrance, or you can also call on these respective numbers. So thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.